Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the free problem of AtCoder beginner contest 265, which is where. We are in a two-dimensional plane where we can do some operations in number of times. The operation could be of these three types. So initially we are at position 0, comma 0, and in the first operation we can just add a to the first coordinate and b to the second coordinate. This is the first operation. In the second operation, similarly we can add c to the first coordinate, d to the second coordinate. In the third operation, we can add e to the first coordinate and f to the second coordinate. And there are also m obstacles present in our case. So there are also m obstacles. There are also m obstacles present in our case. So these are present in an array. So x1, y1, x2, y2, and xm, ym are our obstacles. So what does obstacle mean? So obstacle mean is that initially we are at 0 0, and after doing some operation we can land to, let's say, x and y. So we can't land to x comma y if x comma y is present in the obstacle list. Okay, so that means the obstacle. Now we have to do exactly n number of operation, and we have to find the total number of distinct paths. So what is distinct path here? So let's say the n is equals to 3, and where a b c d e f all are 1. So one path will be 0 0 2 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3. This is one valid path, and as all the values of a b c d e f are 1, so there is exactly one valid path present here. So let's say the value of a is 1, b is 2, and other values are 1. So what could be our possible case? So it could be 0 0, and we can do the first operation here, 1 2. Now there the next two operations are 2 3 and 3 4, or we can again do 1 2 2 2 4, and so on. So this is the first operation. This is the first operation. It could be either second or third operation. It is also could be either two second or third operation. Okay. So what is happening here? Let's observe. We can solve it kind of a DP way. So what are the parameters of DP? The first parameter will obviously be if we do recursive DP. So the first parameter will obviously be. So let me write it in text format. So the first parameter will be the number of operations. Okay, so let's call it I. So first parameter is number of operations I, and the second parameter you can think about is that current x comma current y. Okay, you can think about it in that way. But as the values of x is quite large, so as the values of x is quite large, x could be 1 in 9 and y is 1 in 9. So uh, this is not really optimal. You can still do it with some kind of map, but this is not kind of optimal because map only takes log n time. So this adds sum of log n factor to our question. So our solution would be in cube log n if we do this kind of approach, number of operations, current x and current y. So let's think some kind of different way. So we can also store recursion of I, and the number of first operations, and number of second operation, and the number of third operation. So if we store the number of first operation, the number of second operation, the number of third operation, then we can easily identify card x. Card x will be what? 0 plus first into a plus second into c plus third into c. Similarly, so let me write it. So we can easily calculate card x comma card y from I comma first comma second comma third. But what will be our time complexity? Our time complexity is increasing in this case. So our time complexity will be order of n to the power 4, because all the values could be n. Okay. So yeah, after observing it a few times, you can obviously identify is that the third is, or first or second is, one is not required to us, because first plus second plus third will be equals to I, total number of operations. So if we know first, second, and I, we can easily identify third. Or we can, if we don't need to store I also. We can also store first, second, and third. Okay, and our base case will be first plus second plus third equals to n. So after solving this, you are thinking that how we are gonna check that our, let's say, current x and current y, if current x and current y is in obstacle list or not. So you can think about it doing like that: map of current x comma current y. If it is present in the map, if current x comma current y is present in the map or present, then it will, we will not go to the current position. Okay, current x comma current y. But it is also imposing log n time complexity here, and the time complexity is so strict, we can't allow n cube log n approach. So our most optimal approach will be order of n cube, and if we do order of n cube log n, it is not passing. I have done the order of n cube log n approach, and it is not passing. So how I am going to do this without map? So you know that the time complexity of unordered map in the average case is order of 1. So I am thinking about using unordered map, but we can only store unsigned integer in unordered map. So somehow we have to change the card x comma car y to an unsigned integer. So this is one common trick, or this is optimization trick, you can say, that if we are given x comma y, and if we want to convert into an integer, we can do x into max, the value of max y plus y. So max y. So the max value of y is here 109. So we can do it like x into 109 plus y. So that's why that's how we are using unordered map here. So let me show you my solution. Let you show you my solution. uh, so here I am taking n and m as input and a b c d e f as input, and I am storing, this is the direction, this is for implementation purposes, and here I am storing x comma y. So this is I don't think this is the my let me see, this is the solution which is accepted. So here I am storing get of x comma y. Here you can check is that ops is an unordered map, and get of I comma j, I am returning I into 1 plus j, and the rest of the thing are quite easy. So we are calculating current x and current y, and if I am checking is that current x plus this and current y plus this, if it is not present in the obstacle list, we are going to that position, new a and new c, and I am returning DPI ABC, AC as the answer. I will give you the link of the code in the description box, and you can check it out. This is quite simple, so I am not explaining it line by line. If you still have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you got helpful from this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.